Hey guys, this is Alex, and welcome back to another update. And yes, something happened, and I'll tell you right now. So I just woke up, and then I hear this big bang. I didn't know what that was, but then until a few hours later, this is what happens. My dad's grill just fell down by the wind, and you could see how windy it is by that. Yeah. And then if we go over here to this side, we could actually see that our fence used to look like that, but then now the fence went full down, and it's really windy. So hope you like the update, and bye.